What is up, YouTube? This is your boy IEJ, back to you with another video. And I'm happy to be here, happy to be back, happy to be recording. Crazy thing is I'm going viral on Instagram. Recently I just plugged my Instagram onto my YouTube. And I went back on Instagram freaking 2 days ago. I I made a new account on Saturday. And yeah, man, I been active on it. Posted some shorts. But there's one particular short I want to bring to people's attention that's like been gaining a lot of views. So what you call? So I posted it on TikTok, right?
Her bitch, she liked to pop cause she was living la vida loca. She had jumps like a truck. Thighs like what? Baby, move your butt.
I think I sing it again. She like Hey, so this is a reaction to a video that I reacted to doing an old stream of mine, and I was reacting to a Mugiwara video. I wanted to upload that video, but unfortunately my dog was being busy and I forgot to press recording for the last half of the video. So that's why the video is not up on YouTube. But I decided to scrapping the whole thing. I was like, let's just record this. Let's just look through the thing, see if there's any funny clips. I was like, this clip should be funny right here, right? I'm thinking that this is get a couple of views. Let's see how many. Dang. No, don't copyright my video. How many views? This got 561 views. And it got 58 likes, 10 saves. Someone posted a funny comment. Where are the yo-hos at? So yeah. And like basically the reason why this is so hilarious is because Brook is a character in One Piece, right? And his whole gimmick is that he likes to ask girls, "Excuse me, ma'am, may I please see your panties?" So it's kind of funny. He's singing the thong song on this video, and it's a AI rendered video. Not the video, not the editing and stuff, but the audio that's being used is an AI rendered version of the thong song. So that's kind of funny, a man that loves to look at panties, singing about thongs. It's kind of hilarious. So yeah, it was doing good on it's doing on TikTok. I mean, I'm not happy the way it was being done on TikTok. I was hoping that I would get more virality, because they say that TikTok is like mainly the place to like boost, because of the algorithm and everything is the main way to boost stuff. But is for some reason my TikToks are not going crazy how they used to. I know that I'm inconsistent. I try to be consistent, but before I was making like 1,000 views easily, but now I'm struggling to even crack 100 views. So I'm not gonna be I'm shadow banner or that. I'm just not getting as much views. But if you go on to YouTube, go to my channel, right? View channel. Go to shorts. YouTube is a whole different game. I have 455 likes. This is the most liked video that I have currently on my YouTube right now. It's the same clip on TikTok. I just posted it on YouTube, but I got 455 likes on it. Comments. The comments are kind of going crazy on here. Nothing too crazy. Got a bunch of replies in this thread right here. So 455 likes is kind of crazy. But if we go to freaking Instagram, bro, it's a whole different ballpark. Wait, let me move my camera just a little bit. If we go to freaking Instagram, it's a whole different conversation. Where I go to profile, bro. Look at my notifications going crazy right now. All right, I just want to let y'all know that like when I opened my Instagram, when did I launched an Instagram Saturday. No. It wasn't even 2 days ago. I launched my Instagram yesterday, like literally yesterday. And I started out with 8 followers. After I posted this clip, I've been gaining a whole lot of followers. I went from 8 followers to 136 followers. And this you can see the likes. 17.9k likes and 106 comments, bro. I'm muted. Hey. I think I sing it again. Like, bro, it's going crazy. 17,972 likes, dude. Like, come on, bro. Like, come on. And the comments are going crazy, dude. The comments are going crazy up in here. And I can view my insight for everybody to see. But like these views are going crazy. I'm getting more views and more views every time passes. But like it's crazy. The engagement, the reels interaction, the likes, the comments, the saves, dude. The saves. Look at these shares, dude. I never had this many shares. But like, most of the people who viewed it are not following. So, you know, if you want to see more content from your boy, please follow. Please hit that follow button. But yeah, bro, like it's going crazy on Insta. And like I can get more analytics on my phone that I can get on the PC. But as of right now, the video has 144k views, 17.9k likes, 106 comments, 6.3 thousand shares. It's just like, bro, like this is insane, and it keeps gaining views as time goes by. I'm having people share my video. I'm getting a whole bunch of shares. A whole bunch of mentions. Like, I'm going insane. I'm getting so many followers off of that reel alone. I mean, you know, it's a slow grow. I was hoping like, hey, I got over 1,000 views. I should get like 1,000, but that's not how it works on Instagram. You gotta give people a reason to freaking fuck with you. So, you know, I'm happy. I'm happy about that. I'm happy about that. But it's time. Well, I hope I inspire y'all to freaking check out my Instagram, check out my TikTok, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Speaking of the YouTube channel, there are more people who are watching the videos that are not subscribed than people who are subscribed. So come on, man. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. You know, hit that bell so you know when I'm going to upload videos, because your boy going to be active all 2026. You know what I'm saying? But the video that we're about to watch right now is called The Most Unhinged Manga of All Time. I'm not going to say the name. You already see the title. I don't even know if I'm going to even put the same thing as the creator put. But this video is by CJ Dachamp 2. It also features Mal's World and Skull Tavis. I hope I said their names right. But yeah, I've been watching CJ Dachamp. I just subscribed to his second channel not that long ago, but the main channel, oh my god, the main channel is hilarious. But when watching this video, because I have gone back and rewatched the video, you're gonna hear a lot of cursing, you're gonna hear a lot of bad words. So I advise, if you're sensitive to curse words or vulgar language, you should not be watching this video. Alright, the N-word is going to be dropped a lot of times in this video. So I am repeating, I advise you, if you do not like vulgar language, do not watch this video. I don't want to see no comments saying, oh my god, I can't believe he's watching it. The bad words, and it's bro, it's just a manga, bro. Someone made a manga. It's I'm not even gonna lie, it's more vulgar than the material you see on Boondocks. I'm not gonna lie. So, you know, it's a vulgar manga. Funny as hell, in my opinion. So yeah, it's time. So let's go on with the video.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to...
Wait, we started?
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to force my friends to popcorn read Dog Ningen.
Wait, go ahead and say
Wait, I didn't know that ninja meant
My name is Rex, and I'm a
dog ninja.
I never really fit in of it.
What?
What?
You never really fit any of it? Whoa, you're gay.
I never really fit in because of it. In fact, I've never even had any friends. Ooh, shit, I had a burp.
Bro, this is only page 5 and 6.
Okay. I was created when a drunk old man.
I'm sorry. Let's be, I'm sorry. Lucky, guys. Yo, Skull, shut the fuck up, bro.
You can't say lock in with the first. He started one word and you wheezed like you were on your deathbed.
I was created when an old drunk man on a stray female dog. The bitch died giving birth to me.
The bitch.
Oh my god.
I mean, it's a people dog, but the bitch. Wait,
What?
yo.
Because of my father,
Yeah.
I've had to live my life
Oh
as a
my
freak,
god.
rejected by society. So one day, I will find that man and
Yo, wait, that's
So
the
he
third
wants-
page and that's the motive?
that's the third page.
Wait a
He
minute.
wants to Diddy this, bro.
He wants to.
Wait, chapter 1 was 3 pages and
Oh my
Yes.
god.
Yes.
Is this a real
I
manga?
was literally walking out from the barbershop. Thanks for the cut, Ron.
Thanks for the
Bro, I
cut,
put
bro.
my soul into it though, man.
Oh,
I put soul into it.
Bro, like
What the
he's
fuck?
short as hell.
Alright. Thanks for the cut, Ron.
Oh,
Does that work? Is that comp?
Just go.
Is that comp?
Okay.
just got it up. Let's go.
But that.
Oh shit!
Who is this nigga? His moves are pretty fast. Well, this might get interesting. Why does he look like the fucking
Why does it
rage
look like
bait?
Satan?
Bar nigga.
You must be Rex, right? Yeah, I am.
Oh no, this is gonna lose. Yeah, that's me. You're probably wondering, get the fuck out of here.
Tell me what I got here.
Probably wondering how I got here. Well, if you read the first 4 pages of the manga, let's get this out of the way. You are here to kill me, right?
How can a filthy creature like you be allowed to live? Prepare to die, Nick.
Did he finish up? Oh, okay.
Oh shit. Hold on, they scrapping.
He was causing a thumbs
Burn.
But why do I feel like that's his think meter saying that shit? Burn, nigga!
I can't read for here.
Oh,
What
you
am I
gotta
supposed
give
to read?
sound effects, bro.
What the f*** am I? Appreciate you all. Because I don't think the sound effects.
I am atomic.
There's no way we just use shadow. Please go to the next page.
Anyways, my name is Neo, and I was sent by your father to kill you.
Damn, he tripped.
Then let's go right now. I ain't let nobody stop me from. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. He want a R rated R his dad, bro.
Oh, my dad.
God.
Okay.
Alright.
That took me out of character completely. Oh god.
Like, you don't even want to confront him?
Yeah.
Like, talk to him? Like,
Next time, the ultimate fight begins. Rex versus Neo. Dog Ningen. Chapter 3. Rex versus Neo.
that shit sounds like a...
You got you.
No, why did I hear that sound effect from my...
Multi-break! Yeah! For fuck's sake! Same day I got a cut.
The cut was clean though.
I got a fucking cut. This shows up and fucks it up.
Is it a cut or a trim? Like,
Come out, egghead! I know you up.
Sonic?
Move. Why don't you just give up? Me? You have to be kicked.
oh my god.
Honestly, your time to make sound effects. Come on.
Did I just hear an orbital drop? What the fuck is that?
I swear to God, this nigga dropped the nuke. I swear he just nuked.
Kaboom.
Did I get him? Guess not.
You're asking me.
You are strong.
I mean,
Too bad you lack
Whoa,
skill.
whoa. Nigga, this Captain Ginyu?
Goop.
Nah, that's not Captain Ginyu. Captain Ginyu got more tag tools.
Yeah, getting you, nigga. I hit a Jiren. His strength is monstrous. If I don't get, no. Wait, I thought I was talking as Dog right here.
No, you're talking as...
Oh, I'm talking as
Neo.
nigga. Oh.
That's Neo. Stop calling him niggas.
That's the one time where you can't use that word as a neutral shit. You have to quite literally specify who is which.
Who is Dog and who is the other?
Yeah, you. Oh yeah, I was talking to niggas. I'm a scream.
His strength is monstrous. I don't dodge that. I would have been big fucking trouble.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Can you read?
I got fucking tongue twisted, nigga. I didn't expect the fucking to be in the damn word. I can see why they needed me for the job, but I need to pay extra attention.
That's a new voice every time.
One wrong move, and I'm oh, you got this.
No. Bro, I'm muting, bro, because you gotta keep going, bro. But Brad, this thing. Come on.
Yeah, I'm actually muted, bro. I'm laughing too much.
Come on, yo.
This nigga really is built different. What's wrong?
Where'd he go? I can't even blink. God, accelerate. Let's go, Rex. You got this. Oh, sorry, sound effects.
Omoratori shin. Oratori shineru.
Hold on, that fucking frame on the left got a top.
What? No. He was frozen without a doubt. Then how the fuck did he survive that? Ominous. Or. If I keep calm, I can still do it.
Ominous. Aura.
I can still see myself beating this monster. My fire attacks clearly don't work, but I still need to keep my distance. He's very strong, but his speed is nothing.
What? Wait, what?
What?
Bite my dick.
Oh my god.
He bought my fucking dick.
Oh my god.
Yo!
Oh.
Wait, what the fuck? Naruto ad flashback.
I don't think I asked you what you wanted.
Why is the flashback?
You will become an assassin, and that is final. Father! Chapter 4. Nero's backstory. But nigga, aren't you an assassin? Assassin. Don't act like you know about my life. You know? You're right, I don't. But will you let me find out?
That said sniff.
What is he?
That said sniff.
Was that barking?
That said sniff, not barking.
Almost done. Just to do the other eye end. I guess I'll just have to get another one. Let's see. Where is it? Here we go. I can finish it now. Tap, 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 tap. Oh no. Oh no, 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 please. Oh no. No, 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 no. He's coming. I'm fucking dead. Oh no, please. What's going? Is he going to do to me?
He's coming.
Oh no.
I'm fucking
I
dead.
totally forgot. Fuck what? He's somebody help. Oh no.
This is the most chaotic popcorn reading.
I have never had sensory
This shit. Oh my god.
overload. That's so bad in
Yeah, sensory overload to the freaking max,
my
bro.
life, bro.
Nero, you are late for your
Wait,
training
wait,
again.
no, stop.
That's
Where's the
Neo.
R?
Oh
It's
shit.
Neo.
My fault. I was thinking of Devil May Cry. My fault. Neo, you're late for your training again. I hope you know what that means. Open the fucking door, you piece of shit. I better hide the drawing before he.
Yo, why not?
I don't feel good. I feel like I'm gonna faint. Oh no, my head hurts. Every time he comes in, I feel really bad. It's okay. If he doesn't find out, it should be okay, right?
The fuck is this? Why do you do this every time? He's late, so what? Give him some slack. Oh my god. It's a really good drawing, honey. Thanks, Mom. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Stop gassing him up!
We both know he won't become an artist. He need to be. Wait.
Yo!
He need to be dedicating his time to an assassin. I guess I'll forgive you for now. This is the last. Fuck. This is your last fuck up. I'll be expecting you in 10 minutes. Also, one more thing. That drawing. Oh, let me finish it for you.
Bang, bang, bang.
There we go. That's what I call a colored in eye.
Oh my god, he's pointing this part.
Oh my god, bro, struggle.
Why? Why do I cry? Why do
Yo, what is this drawing? Yo, what is this illustration?
Son.
Why do I feel so bad? Why do I always cry, even with all these injuries? Something hurts me even more. It comes from the inside. This hurts much. Fuck, this hurts more and more each time. Every time it hurts more and more. Can I even for a second feel happy? And at least the injuries get better after a while. Why do I feel this way?
Vocal cords. Ow. Run this shit back though.
I never had any friends. I can't even draw a friend.
This dude is trash!
My dad.
Wait, I'm sorry. Ooh, walk here. Come on, coach, you got this. Oh shit. Oh, they keep laughing. It's fucking me up.
The other kids. Why am I so empty? Why do I feel so lonely? I just feel so lonely.
Yo, Mom, get the fuck off.
You better stay put next time, bitch.
Yo,
Inspirational ass art.
Just fuck that nigga. It's your life. That is. Also, dude, you owe me like $50 for cut.
Yo.
Damn, 50 boom?
The f you mean a cut? Bitch, you bit my dick off. It don't work. Huh? What'd you say? Can't hear you. Can't hear you. The cops are coming, so I gotta...
Breaking news! Last night, the city of what the fuck?
Manassas.
Manassas?
What? No, that's not.
Manassas?
It is
Manassas?
Manassas.
Manhattan. Partially destroyed.
The city of Manhattan was destroyed.
Really?
Partially destroyed in bursts of flame.
Just is now more accurate that this is just Manhattan.
We're in New York.
People speculate that this happened because of a meteor or a forest fire. But some, oh my god, this bullshit.
Oh shit.
GG's.
But some even go as far to say, this, oh shit, I got a burp again. Oh my god.
What did you eat?
I ate that
Oh,
damn
yeah.
baked potato, bro.
Oh, gassy ass.
Nigga, wait. Wait. You're telling me, nigga, you had a baked potato and you're gassy? Grits.
Oh my god.
One of the two people in this car that has a degree, by the way.
This motherfucker graduated, by the way.
Oh, it's communication major, by the way. Come on now.
Yeah, the only person here that graduated.
Jesus Christ. Some type of monster. So far, 26 people are injured and 4 fell dead. Huh? Is he trying to steal something? Yeah. I think he tried to break the glass. Keep an eye on him. I will call the police. I bet. What the fuck? What happened? He disappeared. Well, fuck. Leave him be. I am too lazy to chase him. Whoosh. Huh?
I'm home now, but I feel terrible.
Damn, what the?
What the fuck?
Oh my
Okay, hold on. I am so tired. I feel this pain. It hurts so much. It's eating me from the inside. I don't know what to do. I don't even know what pain I'm feeling, but it hurts way too much. I just want it to end, but what should I do?
Better. Catch up.
What do you want? Oh, day has passed. Boss is very displeased. You tell me, are you still alive? Yes, Elect. What does that mean? Did you escape? No, you let me go. You did what?
You heard me. Yeah, you heard it. Awesome. Till the boss stop. Bye. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bro, in one of these frames, we just gotta go Fugo. And just fucking.
You hung up.
Sassy ass.
I am snitching.
He's a rat bastard.
That's the first volume. Well, man, hey.
Bro.
Hope y'all enjoy it, man. Hey, what?
Yo.
5K likes, bro. Dog Nigga Volume 2, man.
Bruh. Yo.
Ball nigga, ball nigga, ball nigga,
Hey.
ball nigga.
Hey. Oh, damn. I wish we would have kept going. Damn, bro. That was freaking hilarious, bro. That was freaking hilarious, bro. Y'all go subscribe to CJ Dachamp too. Bro's hilarious. And yeah, man. And not the video. Whew. So yeah. This has been your boy IEJ. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.